Today we celebrate the initiation of New Park here in Roseland, in Santa Rosa, and we look around at all these new homes and we think about one of the things that we're really working at is how do we protect the open areas. And today we're seeing the culmination of those efforts.
Colgan Creek has been the focus of restoration work for more than a decade, and reaching this final phase is a major milestone. The project reflects the persistence of many people who believe that our creeks can do more. They protect homes from flooding, they provide habitat for wildlife, they improve water quality, and create meaningful places for people to connect with nature.
This urban creek is a shared neighborhood asset. It's designed to be educational, it's designed accessible, and it's designed to be inviting. The benches, the viewing areas, the thought that was put into the overall design is really to make it a space for this community to enjoy today and into the future.
I'm not going to repeat what has already been said. We know why we're happy to be here. We know about the improvements of this project. I'll just note how different our water management strategies are now as opposed to 60 years ago. Thank heavens we've changed our ways. So now we got something that's going to be better for flood management, that the community can use. It's beautiful, better for the environment. And again, after 4 decades, we're all just glad to be here today.
This project really does show how community design and our infrastructure interests can merge together to really create something spectacular for our community.
1, 2, 3, Colgan Creek!
Just a big thank you to everyone that contributed to this project and made it incredible. Santa Rosa Water is proud to steward projects like this in partnership with our community and with agencies that share our vision for resilient, healthy watersheds. Today is a celebration of that shared effort. This is what is possible when we invest together in the future of our city.